Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ and this is a story time. I hope you are already following all the stories that we are doing in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. If not, I leave the playlist link here. Please do check out the stories that we have done till now. Stories listening is one of the way to improve the vocabulary, improve the fluency, and one of the way to learn the language in the easiest way. So let's start with today's story. Ivattina story Ganesh mattu Kumari. So there are two friends, Ganesh and Kumari. So they're having a conversation. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So let's start with the story. ಗಣೇಶ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕುಮಾರಿ, ಗಣೇಶ್ and ಕುಮಾರಿ ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದರು. They were sitting under the tree. ಕುಳಿತು ಅಂದರೆ sitting. ಓಕೆ, ಕುಳಿತುಕೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಅಂಡರ್. ಕುಮಾರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ, ಗಣೇಶ್ ನೀನು ದಿನಾಲೂ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀಯಾ? ಗಣೇಶ್, do you exercise every day? Vyayama is a exercise. Dinalu is every day. Do you exercise every day? Dinalu vyayama ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀಯಾ? ಗಣೇಶ್, ಹೌದು, ನನಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡುವುದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. Yes, I love to exercise. So ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ, it can also be mentioned as a love. Okay, next. ಕುಮಾರಿ, ನನಗೂ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I have to exercise too. ಆದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಬಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು, ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ, ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಗಣೇಶ್, ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾ, ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್, ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾ. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ, ಟು ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್, ಬಾ. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಟು ಯು. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಇಟ್. ಕುಮಾರಿ, ವಾಹ್, ಅದ್ಭುತ, ವಾವ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್, ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಬರಲೇ? ಶಲ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ? ಗಣೇಶ್, ಸರಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸರಿ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಭೇಟಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇ ನಾಳೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, na? I hope you have enjoyed this story. Do let me know in the comment section which are the new words that you learned from this story anta. Okay, so watch all the stories and do not forget to check out the playlist for the spoken Kannada stories and rhymes anta helta. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more story very soon. Namaskara, dhanyawada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2 vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.